If you're seeing random friend suggestions on Snapchat and you want to stop it, follow the simple steps. First, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now, you need to go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll get the list of the suggestions that you can go for, or you'll see the suggested contacts under Find Friends. Now, to remove a suggestion, you need to tap on this cross icon next to their name. Select I do not know the person or other reason, and they'll be instantly removed from the list. If you want to fully disable friend suggestions, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile picture icon in the top left, go to Settings. Now from this page, you need to scroll down and tap on My Privacy and Data. Here again, scroll down and tap on See Me in Find Friends and disable this option over here. Then try disabling the contacts for Snapchat. For that, you can tap and hold on to the Snapchat application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, go to Permissions and simply disable the contact option. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.